Today is January 12th, I think, and today Danny, Joe, and I were going to Montague Pier. We just had an ice day at school. Super icy. Joe ran there, so we're gonna meet him there. Right now I am going to pick up Danny. You guys who watched the last vlog, you guys noticed that I talked about my tripod, how it would make the camera fall down because of the GoPro mount that I had. A couple days ago, the GoPro mount that I had on it broke off, so I had the idea of sawing off the top part of the tripod, and then I had this other GoPro mount that actually connects to my camera, so I took that and stuck it down there after I sawed through the metal ball and the hook for 2 hours, and then I had to sand down the GoPro attachment so that it would stick in there, and then I just hot glued it all. Hey Danny.
Hey. Look over there. My truck's just frozen in place.
We made it. It's lit.
Out here at the pier. Stoked. It's a lot of ice. Don't destroy your camera trying to play in the ice.
Joe! It's a bit icy. I don't think they were wrong to have an ice day today. What kind of lake is this?
That's Lake Lot.
Slippery. Some guy's flying a drone. There it is. He's over there. I miss my drone. I'm getting a DJI Mavic soon. I'm gonna order it this week for my birthday and Christmas. And I spent all my money on a GoPro Karma, but then it crashed, as some of you know.
And then got recalled.
Then it got recalled later that day, so I got a full refund. And GoPro sending me a free GoPro Purify Black. But that's really slow, so that's coming sometime. But stay stoked, content will be cool with that.
And she said, okay, no
Oh, we're not on the pier yet.
True.
I was like, man, before you guys are done, I'll probably go back to the bourbon and just sit in the car.
Yeah, that's a unique.
Yeah. Unique or...
Is that a UFO?
This is how Joe ran here. Look at all that ice. Ice. Oh, it's solid. Ooh. Rip boat. What happened to it? I feel like this is a boat from Holes, and there's someone like under it, and there's like lizards.
That weird jam.
Yeah, and she's like eating that weird stuff.
I love that movie.
It's a great movie. Holes. We're at the Montague Pier, Lake Michigan. At JoeMD_. At Danny_Drogba. Plug it. He just made a Flickr account. It's linked in his Instagram bio. He's got one picture up, I think.
Yeah.
Go follow.
You just made a Visco?
Flickr.
Oh, Visco's cool.
This girl is cool. It's lit, go follow him. Joe, are you cold?
Boy.
They cool.
Let me see these.
That's actually cool.
Guess which one I'm gonna be editing.
We can do that as a thumbnail. Clickbait it.
Make that in the green knife.
Put hashtag
Photographer
put hashtag
experiment.
NSFW.
Whoa.
That'll get you some views. People love when it's
I'm surprised there's no one out here. I'm surprised there's no one out here. Whoa. Yeah, true. That's all you need. I've been going out to the pier when it's frozen like this in like 2 or 3 years.
Yeah, this is the first time I've been out here like this.
This is funny.
I came out here with Logan last year.
A little dangerous. I'm gonna jump off this giant cliff. Cameraman Dan. So.
How do you feel?
You can do anything. Kids, go to your rooftops.
Charlie Sanders, how does it feel?
Hey, yo, I want to say something to everybody watching. Yo, you can do anything. Anything's possible. The world is yours.
And the orange
Kids, you can actually fly.
No, not literally.
Yes, literally, kids, young kids. I want you to go up on your roofs right now.
Wait, what?
Fly into the night sky.
Okay.
People will see you flying, and you can do anything. You can do anything.
You can fly. My tummy hurts.
Always remember, kids. Buckle up. Let's go.
Where are we going?
I don't know, it's for the vlog.
Hey. It got cold.
Really cold.
It got cold. Windy too.
Yeah, the
Joe,
wind.
you've been here longer and you're wearing less stuff than us. It's no problem that you came back here.
You a champ.
Here, run. Check.
When did I put that in my story?
An hour ago.
What time is it?
3:05.
6.
We are leaving the Montague Pier. We're probably gonna go to Clear Springs after we get warmer stuff.
And get more bangers.
Get more bangers.